What's up? Walter here. I'm dropping a new video today to break down the most popular dropshipping products of 2025. These are the products that are trending right now and offer really high profit margins. I've analyzed all the top trending niches, so I'm keeping things fact and stats based today. Let's dive in. So here's the deal. Some trending products look expensive, like high ticket items for example, but the actual cost to source them is way lower. That means that you can buy them at a price of $30 or $40 and then flip them for $150. That's a huge margin opportunity. That's a 400 to 500% markup. Then there's the hype factor. If something is going viral on TikTok or Reels, demand spiked and you can't afford to miss it. Know what's trending, get in early, and you can control your prices and profits. Here are the categories where I'm seeing serious traction. I'm not naming a specific brand. Why? Because you don't need to sell any specific bottle or gadget to succeed. If your product genuinely solves a problem, it'll sell. This stuff can sell at a 300 to 600% markup. Check out this video. We got a bottle that reduces colic symptoms. Think about it. Real benefits equals real sales. Double-walled drinkware is huge. This video praises its insulation and visual appeal. Margins usually land around 300 to 400%. Think trending skincare essences or therapy gadgets. The dude in this video talks about visible skin results in under a week. Generic smart displays or hubs sourced at $25 sell around $90. In this video, they show you how to set everything up in under 5 minutes. Simplicity itself. Think portable coolers, fake Yeti style, that kind of stuff. This video shows how these coolers keep ice from melting for days in the summer heat. It's peak outdoor flex. This includes things like thermal iPhone cases and the sort. This video shows product features in real time. People love that. There are two reliable methods that I use. The first one is social media mining. I just watch Reels and TikTok with hashtags like viral product. It's important to pay attention to engagement and share volume. Use product trend tools or marketplaces. Sellvia's own catalog is great because it's curated based on real-time sales and TikTok traction. Also check AliExpress hot lists and tools like Ecom Hunt or Viral Launch. You're not going to just stumble over great data. For example, it took me some serious time and money to find and test the most popular dropshipping products from 2025 specifically for this video. Although I've got my own shortcut to dropshipping profits that I'm going to show you at the end of this video. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's get back to the topic. Testing 3 to 5 products with multiple ads typically costs somewhere around $300 to $1,000 in ad spend. That's a fact. You can Google it right now if you want. Plus, each test needs at least 7 to 14 days to gather data. Plus, you have to think about things like creative adjustments, audience tweaks. The whole thing is just this big ongoing process that never ends. If a product flops, that's ad spend down the drain. Are you sure you're ready to face that? Let me be real with you. I don't waste money testing random products. Sellvia gives me access to fully built out catalogs of 100, 500, even 1,000 plus products. And all of them are already proven bestsellers. So I can add them to my store in one click and I'm ready to launch. Categories include kitchen, home decor, outdoor gear, tech accessories. There's a lot of stuff that's high ticket and high margin. And you don't have to spend weeks testing or spending thousands on ads. Links are all in the description. Click ads, start selling. So that's the scoop on the most popular dropshipping products of 2025. Real niches, real numbers, and profit potential that's in plain sight. Your next move? Hit the description, grab those catalogs, pick your high margin items, and tweak your ads to match the demos and scale. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more actionable dropshipping insights. Catch you next time.